Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope your preparations are going well. Now, welcome back to my channel, all about CS students with Shikha. You don't need to panic now, just give your best. Today I'll be sharing preparation strategy for one day before exam and strategy you need to follow in the examination hall. Please everyone do subscribe my channel and watch till the end. Don't skip the video. Syllabus is so vast that it is very difficult to cover whole syllabus in just one day. First of all, before the first paper, you have ample of time. So just give 3 to 4 days for your first paper. Like if you are in CA final, it could be your financial reporting or cost. After that, do mark the important questions while revising nowadays and prepare summary of the chapter which you will be completing first. Now the question arises how to prepare summary. Now just take a paper and for every subjects write down the chapters carrying more weightage and complete them first. This will make you more confident that at least you have completed this much part of your syllabus. For MCQs, solve all the MCQ which are issued by ICI and covered in RTPs and MTPs and mark the same which you will be revising one day before exam. After coming back to home, after giving the first paper, the most important thing that you need to follow is that don't think about the previous paper, whether the particular solution is wrong or right, or you have solved only this number of questions. This will impact your next paper, so you don't need to carry baggage of last paper. Just take rest for some time, relax your mind and think about the next paper. Now you must have made summary of chapters as per their weightage. Revise the chapters accordingly. You must be knowing the weightage of chapters as per the previous trends, or it might be told by a teacher also. The most important thing that don't ignore your health. Do follow healthy diet, drink water and have something at regular interval so that your mind will have the energy to revise the entire syllabus one day before exam. The other important thing is that you should cover all the question of RTP, MTP. The day when you are going to give your exams, keep at least 3 to 4 hours for RTPs, MTPs question, past year papers and of course MCQs also. It is difficult to cover entire RTP, MTP, past year MCQ question. So you need to mark the question that you have to revise on the examination day. The question that can be easily solved by you, you don't need to revise the same, just cross it. Of course, do refer amendments as amendments are really important and it carries approx 10 to 20 marks in each paper. Finally, in the examination hall, you just need to calm yourself and don't take stress. Even if you haven't covered some topics, it is really okay as you have covered the maximum part. The 15 minutes are really important. Quickly go through the questions and mark at least the first 2 questions that you will be solving first. Don't read question 1 first as it is compulsory and you have to solve that. Select the question that you will be solving next. Even if some of the questions are tough, don't feel stressed, demotivated as some of the questions will test your analytical and thinking skills. Now I have some suggestions for you all which you can follow in the examination hall. Do write the question number properly. Solve the question whose answer you can write in best possible manner. Underline the important words. Mention section number, rule or circulation number only when you are confident. Give proper space between paras. Prefer writing in points. Do mention provision applicable, analysis and conclusion in theory papers. Feeling demotivated? Then watch the motivational video for CA January exam 2021. I have given the link in the description box. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. All the best everyone. Do subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching and please watch till then as I have some suggestions for you all. Nowadays, start early and stay on track with your exam preparation to reduce your stress levels. Look after your health, get plenty of sleep, eat healthy food, and try to find time to exercise. Keep things in perspective, take a break, set rewards for yourself. Bye bye, guys. All the best for your examination.